Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika. Let's look at today's top medical news. Clinical trial finds well-tolerated vaccine for aggressive breast cancer. A small clinical trial shows promising results for patients with triple-negative breast cancer who received an investigational vaccine designed to prevent recurrence of tumors. Conducted at Washington University School of Medicine with a therapy designed by WashU Medicine researchers, the trial is the first to report results for this type of vaccine known as neoantigen DNA vaccine for breast cancer patients. The study, which found the vaccine to be well tolerated and to stimulate the immune system, is published in the Journal of Genome Medicine. The phase 1 clinical trial conducted at Sightman Cancer Center involved 18 patients diagnosed with triple-negative breast cancer that was not metastatic. Each patient received the standard of care and 3 doses of a personalized vaccine tailored to home in on key mutations in their specific tumor and train immune cells to recognize and attack any cells bearing these mutations. Following treatment, 14 out of 18 patients showed immune responses to the vaccine, and after 3 years, 16 patients remained cancer-free. On an average, about half of the patients remained cancer-free at 3 years post-treatment. Over 800 million people living with diabetes, more than half not receiving treatments. Study finds. Over 800 million adults living with diabetes, more than half not receiving treatment. Global study published in The Lancet suggests. Key highlights of the study are: the global rate of diabetes, both type 1 and type 2, in adults doubled from approximately 7% to about 14% between 1990 to 2022, with the largest increase in low and middle income countries. Over the same period, rates of treatment for diabetes stagnated at low levels in many of the same low and middle income countries, where rates of the disease have drastically increased, resulting in almost 450 million adults aged 30 and over with diabetes globally who did not receive treatment in 2022. Adverse events affect over 38% surgery patients, BMJ study finds. Adverse events affect more than a third of adults undergoing surgery, finds a study of admissions to 11 hospitals in the US state of Massachusetts published by the BMJ. Of the 1009 admissions analyzed, nearly half were classified as major, resulting in serious, life-threatening or fatal harm, and the majority were considered as potentially preventable. Researchers set out to estimate the frequency, severity and preventability of adverse events associated with perioperative care and to describe the setting and professions concerned. Their findings are based on a randomly selected sample of 1009 patients aged 18 years and older admitted to 11 hospitals for surgery during 2018. The hospitals were chosen to represent a mix of both large and small facilities across 3 different healthcare systems, and estimates were weighted to take account of differences in the sample population. Exposed to higher levels of air pollution, you may be more prone to eczema. People living in areas with higher levels of air pollution are more likely to have eczema, according to a new study published in the open access journal PLOS ONE. The prevalence of eczema has increased globally with industrialization, suggesting a possible contribution from environmental factors. In the new study, researchers used data from the US National Institutes of Health All of Us research program covering hundreds of thousands of US adults. The current study included 286,862 people for whom there was available demographic, zip code and electronic health record data. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.